AFL introduces the 90S high-quality core alignment fusion splicer with active blade management technology. The 90S is a true core alignment fiber fusion splicer with a high-precision optical system. This system enables the 90S to accurately align fiber cores and distinguish between various fiber types. The 90S offers programmable features like an automated wind protector and independently programmable sheath clamps, now with increased speeds to accelerate your productivity. Fibre retention clamps prevent fibers from lifting out of the splicer when both sheath clamps open automatically, keeping your splice safe, simplifying and expediting your workflow. Compared to the 70S Plus, the 90S wind protector opens sooner after loss estimations appear on its monitor, resulting in reduced splicer operation time. The 90S makes positioning splice sleeves easy. The new sheath clamp design ensures that the splice point is always in the center of the sleeve, thus optimizing splice protection and minimizing operation steps. The 90S keeps you running with features like long-life electrodes, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, and pre-installed reference guide with splicer instructions and useful tips. The 90S versatile carrying case doubles as a workstation. Its removable work tray makes working in challenging environments easier, and when needed, the work tray can separate to become an even more compact splicing work area. The 90S work tray has drawers with enough storage space to house your splicing tools and accessories, so you can be ready even without the case. For loose tube fiber splicing, movement of fiber within the buffer tube is eliminated with the 90S sheath clamps. The sheath clamp base has a retractable protrusion that holds the inner fiber in place and enables splicing without special tools. The 90S is ruggedized for shock, rain, and dust resistance. To improve splicing efficiency, Fujikura complements the 90S with the CT50 high-quality optical fiber cleaver. The CT50 offers easy access and can accommodate longer strip fibers than previous models. The CT50 can cleave loaded fibers with a single action. Its blade can yield up to 60,000 single fiber cleaves. To reduce downtime and operating cost, the CT50's fiber clamp and blade can easily be replaced by users in the field. And as an industry first, the durable CT50 can withstand severe shock from all directions. The 90S and CT50 deliver improved splicing efficiency powered by active blade management technology. The 90S can interface with one or more CT50 cleavers via wireless communication. This allows two operators to use one splicer at the same time. To make work easier and more efficient, the 90S analyzes fiber cleave end shapes. When the current blade position is expended, it wirelessly communicates a signal to the CT50 to automatically rotate its blade. The CT50 then signals the 90S to indicate that the blade rotation is complete. The 90S ensures that automatic blade rotations are appropriately timed by initiating them based on the frequency of bad cleaves. As a cleaver blade wears down from use, it inevitably begins to produce bad cleaves. As the blade incurs more wear, the bad cleaves occur more frequently. Once a number of bad cleaves have occurred in close succession, the 90S judges the blade to be worn and in need of rotation. It then signals the CT50 to automatically rotate the blade to a non-worn position. The 90S makes blade management easy by automatically logging every fiber cleave and tracking all 16 rotational positions at each of the 3 height positions. For easy reference, the CT50's blade life is displayed clearly on the 90S main screen. When you need fast, accurate, and efficient core alignment fusion splices, choose the 90S high-quality core alignment fusion splicer with active blade management technology.